Well, tubers, this is my truck, nice and clean. I cleaned it yesterday, but still, I got done cleaning the tires. You know, it's nice and shiny. Side. The back. Yeah, nice and shiny. And well, the interior. Oh wait, I forgot that one thing. I showed the interior a little bit. I just was cleaning one thing inside. Here's Mom's car, nice and clean. Alright, be back, tubers. Yeah, tubers, see, I did it inside the truck. Nice and clean. And those rugs are just dirty, but I just have them for the land because the damn land gets awfully dirty. See? Nice and clean. Alright, see you, tubers.